Hi guys! Okay, today for a ground pounder, I want to give you a little quick tip or trick. You've seen these, right? These are Arctic Canteen cups. And I was gifted this one at my recent gathering back in March. Now it works just like a standard canteen cup. It's got a little slider. You fold over and lock back behind the tab. And then the leg is low enough down to actually stand up like a third leg, like a thing. So it works good as a cooking pot. You know, it's wider, it's easier to get in there, and you can cook a little bit easier on it. But what a lot of people don't know is, I don't have one of the Arctic Canteens. But what this can also be an augment to use with is the U.S. Army mess kit, because they fit. Didn't know that, did you? They will fit, and therefore that can slide into a pouch just like that. You can put it in. I've got my cutlery set in there as well, but see, it fits real nice onto the end of the U.S. Army mess kit. So if you like using the mess kit, get you one of these as an augment. This is great for boiling water and being able to pour water. It's a lot easier than trying to pour water out of here when you're trying to boil something. And so it just makes a drinking cup. It also makes a cooking pot. Quick and easy. So that's your little tip for the day. The U.S. Army Arctic Canteen cup fits the U.S. Army mess kit. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you have, hit there, like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.